Hi everyone, my name is Elias and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, and as I promised you, I'm gonna show you how to make hookah out of orange fruit head. We're gonna use also orange juice and we're gonna pick orange mint flavor. So it can be one combination. I promise you it's gonna taste really good. If you're interested, stay tuned and let's watch how we're gonna make it. So for this hookah, this is what we're gonna need. We're gonna need foil. We're gonna need needles. We're gonna need orange, of course. Also orange mint flavor, knife, peeler to help us make a hole in the bottom so we can make it fit in the hookah. We also need some ice and some orange. So let's go for it. So now we're gonna start with cutting the orange. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna cut just the top of it, the first part right here, like this. So as you see right now, I'm using the coconut coal. Keep in mind, this coal takes a little bit of time to light up. It takes between 10 to 15 minutes. The last time I wasn't able to use the coconut coal because I didn't have I couldn't find any way to light it up with, so I just used the light quick one. But the coconut one is they're very recommended because they're very organic and they don't burn tobacco faster basically. You see, today in this video I'm not gonna talk about how good it is. You guys need to try this one. You must try it. Everything tastes like orange, like literally everything. With ice makes it very nice taste. Very beautiful taste. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like it, please share it, comment, like, subscribe. That's the most important thing. Let us make you more videos. Help us and let us spread the knowledge of hookah. For next video, probably I'm gonna show you how to make a pineapple head. I will think about it. I will see if I can do it or not. I got a lot of requests about cleaning the hookah. The clean hookah I'm gonna leave it for later on because there's some stuff going on. Because I wanna show you. I'm gonna take you to the hookah lounge and clean it there so you can see the process. Here it's really, I don't have enough space basically to clean it out here. So till next time, hope you guys enjoy it and have a good one.
In the world of sound, and now we have first triangle, a square, a square.
Garbage.